Hello and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian. I am a relationship coach. And in this video, I wanted to talk to you about what your ex needs to see in order to commit to you again. That last step, so that they can fully dive into a new and improved relationship. I've been coaching this young lady in Utah, amazing, who is everything that any man would want. And she went through a separation with her boyfriend, and it's clear that he's into her, that, they spend time together, he's invested, they talk all the time, but he simply doesn't want to take that last step and to actually commit. And so her question was, what does he need to see, or what is he waiting for? And it led to a very interesting conversation that inspired me to want to do this video for you. So first and foremost, before I begin, it's important for you to know that sometimes it's not you, it's them. It's their insecurities, their fears, their understanding of what the purpose of a relationship is, or the fact that they're going through an existential crisis and that they somehow feel that they need to sort certain things out before being ready to be in a relationship. And I know from experience that usually that comes from actually a lack of emotional maturity, a lack of understanding of the fact that the purpose of a relationship is to help you learn, to help you grow, to help you become that person that you feel like you can be. And it's in the arena of a relationship that we're able to both develop ourselves, but also learn to nurture healthy relationships with others, and the perfect place actually to find answers to these existential issues. So just because he or she has not yet committed does not necessarily mean that you are the reason why. And it seemed important to me to convey that to you so that you don't feel like, you're doing something wrong. The truth, though, what I told her is that he needed to see a certain level of detachment from her end in order to fully take ownership of creating a new beginning and a new relationship. He sensed that her heart was still set on being together at all cost, almost. And so despite all of the work that she had done, her behavior, her communication style, the attention that she was giving him betrayed the fact that she was still so focused on this end goal of being together that it pushed him away. It didn't give him room to actually commit. It was more about what she wanted. And so he felt like somehow he was acquiescing, right? Or giving her what she wanted, but it wasn't what he wanted. And so I have tried to explain this over, the last few years in different ways, that detaching from the end goal of wanting to be with this person that you love actually helps you set the right foundation and conditions to reach the goal. And it's counterintuitive, but there is a correlation between how attached and stuck you are with the outcome of being together and you being unable to get a commitment, especially from men who simply are not wired to be told what to do or to try to be convinced of anything. They want to feel like it is their decision. They're choosing you. You are the dream girl. And so what I told Ashley and what I'm telling you now is about your ability to detach, to let go of the pressure and expectation that you're putting on this dynamic, because it's not about being together at all costs, no matter how much you love them. It's about being together if it's the right relationship for you at the right time. If this person can help you be better, be happier, reach your potential, and nurture a healthy, loving, harmonious relationship. If they are not able to do that, no matter how much you care, no matter how much you love them, they're not the right person for you at this time. Period. And so we're not forcing anything. We are creating conditions to co-create a new relationship in order for them to choose to commit to you. We're not forcing anything. And that's what I told Ashley, and that's what I want to convince you to. This person needs to deserve you. They need to earn your trust. They need to grow. They need to evolve. They need to show that they are worthy of your trust, of really, getting you to commit to building something new. Even if you're sure that it could be wonderful, it won't amount to much if they're not willing to really choose to be with you. And so, in essence, what I'm asking you to do is to not obsess and to not feed those emotions that make you believe that you're somehow still connected to this individual, but that don't necessarily help nurture a healthy mindset, that don't make you truly feel good and truly lay the foundation for something new. That's what a positive mindset is all about. That's why I do what I do, to help you really learn to develop an identity again after a breakup. Because most people after a breakup are in a state of utter confusion. And you feel like the only way to resolve that confusion is by getting the validation from this man or this woman that you love. That is not true. And that sort of belief system pushes your ex away, lowers your chances of actually being with them, and leads to actions that are desperate and manipulative. And that's why most people feel like getting back with an ex is a bad idea, because of this type of approach. But that's not what this is about. And if you've been following our channel for some time, you know that it's much, much more profound than that. And ultimately, that's why I love what I do. So I invite you, come to my next free live session to learn more about this approach and this mindset and how it can be applied to what you're going through. Check out my new channel, No Contact Mindset by Coach Adrian, where it's exclusively my voice and this approach, free from manipulation, to get back with the person that you love only if they're worth it, only if you're truly creating something new, not to be in an on and off again relationship or see them run away when the going gets tough or the next time that you guys have an argument. That's not what it's about. And if you're really interested in doing the work, I am really interested in supporting you to get there. Again, through free content on my new channel, or whether it's in my next free live event or webinar, or in a one-on-one private coaching session. It would be my pleasure to support you to reach your goals and to fight the good fight, because that's what all this is all about. So thank you for your trust. Thank you for the positivity. Thank you for your words of support in the comment sections. I see them. I am grateful, and I try to give you that love back through these videos. So much love, and see you soon.